why our this entry was not getting posted? Because in our sales document, okay, so have I said my screen on it or it's the I'm not sure. No, wait. It's the same my screen. Please let me know once you're able to see it. Is it visible now?
Yes, Deepak, it
Yeah,
visible.
Deepak.
So now this was the invoice we created yesterday, right? On 27th. Why it was not releasing to accounting? Because it was containing the tax condition type also. Okay, and because of this, it was throwing error. Because I told you this tax is not purely SD. It's something requires the backend config for from the finance side also. Okay, let I created I think other document. Let me show it. Okay, 27 or yeah. See this document. I meant I deleted the condition record. Which from which record I deleted the condition record? Record.
VKM4.
No, VKM4 is for releasing create block. No, condition record. Delete condition record. How you will delete a condition record? How you create it first? Any condition record.
VK11.
11.
VK11.
So change where you will do.
VK12.
Make it 12 only. Okay. So
12,
I
12.
deleted that condition record. So you see in this document your that text condition is not coming. Okay. And now if let me show it side by side actually. This is your 927. Basically what I'm trying to show here is how your static condition is not released to accounting. You see when you click on accounting this is appearing. That means your accounting entries are generated. Well, give me 1 second. Here now if you see, if you notice, what is the value of VPRS here? Let's first discuss the static only. What is the value for VPRS 27?
1.32.
Do you
1.
see that value here?
No. No, Deepak.
Why it has not came? Because it's static. Clear? And rest other
Yeah.
you see, these all will be there. You see 0.22. It's here. Okay. Now this point what do you call 0.15.
1.32.
It's here. 0.02. 0.02 and 0.05 I think it has added. This 0.2 and 0.05 it has added. Why? Because these both are discount. Okay, these two are discount actually. You sum it, it becomes 0.07. Correct? So this is there. But you see nowhere you see this 1.32. Why? Because this was static. Clear? How the static comes static the role of static condition type?
But Deepak, why is it showing 1, 2, 3 in the amount?
Because
Is
it
it?
is we have maintained in INR in material master. How we have maintained
Oh, okay,
in
okay.
INR,
Got it,
but
got it. Yeah, yeah.
in the document
So,
currency we told in the euro.
okay, it is doing automatic conversion also.
Right, right. And you can see the value. If you double click here, you can see at what rate it is converting. You can see all those
Oh,
values
okay.
there. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Let us quickly go to our pricing procedure again and what else is left. We'll see. So clear the static and why it was adding the other two conditions because both were discount only. So system adds it. No need to because anyway it will go to 1 year only. So why two line it has to go? System sums it actually. So that's why you are seeing two. So static is clear. What is the role of the static checkbox?
Yeah, Deepak.
Okay. This is clear. This release of accounting I told you already. For some condition you want to release, even if it's marked static, you want to release, then you use that release of accounting. But not only this will help you to release, because when you release it, where it has to go, this account key will tell actually. Okay. So as of now you have seen, we have marked this VPRS as a static, so it is not going anywhere. Clear? Now, I think this we have print type we covered, right? Yesterday, that whatever condition you want to print in the standard one, you can see. I cannot show it right now because to print the standard form also of the SAP, it requires a lot of backend output configurations and all. That is not in place. So let's not waste time there. You simply know, I mean, you simply can understand, and when you in an interview, if someone asks you what is the role of this print type, so it will help you which condition type you want to print, which condition you don't want to print. So for that purpose, you use this print type. Clear? Now the next video subtotal. Let us go to that document also. What was the page number, anyone? Yeah, here only, right? Yeah. So now see subtotal. When you do the pricing, right, in your sales order or in invoice. Also, there one more thing I just wanted to quickly tell you. When you see the accounting entry there, right, in the invoice, that time we should open the invoice condition, not the sales order. Because what will happen in some cases, few condition type will have a different value in sales order, but it will have a different value in invoice. Okay, so when you are comparing the accounting entry, you should open the invoice. Yeah. So subtotal, it will be used to store the value of a condition type for in some temporary table for further calculation. There are so many ways to use it, but I'll quickly tell you a very simple example, then you will remember. This A, right? Wherever you maintain this A in your pricing procedure, like here we have maintained this A, right, in this line. Now, to check the credit management or to check the credit thing, system will take the value of this line only. Like if I open my sales order, let us open the sales order. Yeah, or let us create it basically. Let's try to create another one. That's fine. Let's see. Let B. Will not change it to euro this time. Let's keep it in INR only because we want to discuss this functionality only. Now there are so many values here, right? If you see the net value is different, its tax is different, all conditions are having different value. But on which condition type or which value you want system to take for credit management? Some value you need to tell, right? So that where you tell in this field only. Here you have maintained A, that means wherever the net is there, that means in this line net, right? 1, 2, 3. System will check this value as a credit management. Like in this case, let's assume the customer has 100 rupees in his account. And system checks this value. If 1, 2, 3 is greater than 100, right? Then in this case, your order will be blocked. Obviously, it based on the what do you call based on the configuration, how you have configured the system to behave if the credit limit is exceeded, whether order to be saved or not, whether delivery to be done or not, all those things as per the configuration. But system will take this value only before comparing with the credit limit. Clear? What is the function of subtotal? If someone asks you what is the function of subtotal, can you give me one example? Can you give this example now? Wherever you maintain A, system will take the value of that particular line for credit calculation or credit management. Clear?
Yeah, Deepak.
If we don't have the credit management active and it's not working properly, it's the configuration is still pending. I cannot show you right away, but I'll try to do some primarily setup, and if it is So if the setups are ready, I'll show you that how the change management works actually. Then I'll show you this again, where you maintain A, how its system is taking all these values. Just give me 1 second, guys. Sorry. So this subtotal is clear for you. There are multiple ways of subtotal. B there, 7 is there. You remember this A, this is fine. Yeah, now let's talk about the requirement. Here you see the requirement, right? I told you two places you can maintain the requirement. Anyone remember what are where this is the first place where you can maintain the requirement. Where is the other place where you can maintain the requirement? In pricing only.
Checkbox, no? Checkbox.
Where we have that checkbox, not checkbox, but yeah, let's go to that checkbox thing. Which T code? Tell me the T code. The checkbox was for exclusive, right? I'm talking about requirement. I told you there are two places where you can maintain the requirement routine actually. In access sequence. Okay, let me show you. Let's take any access sequence, that's fine. You see, requirement is here. Any idea what is this requirement will do? Okay,
No, Deepak.
okay, no problem. So requirement is something is a condition actually, precondition you can say. Okay, so it's a precondition. If it meets, then only that condition type will come into picture. Let's say I'll give you a very layman example in our case for understanding purpose. Let's say I maintain ZPR0 is there, right? Let's say for ZPR0, I maintain some requirement routine. Let's say I ask my developer to write a code. Whenever the customer belongs to Maharashtra region, then only my ZPR0 should come. Hypothetical situation. So what my programmer will do, they will write some program. They will give me some program number, let's say 513. What my 513 program is doing, it is checking whether the customer region is Maharashtra or not. If it is Maharashtra, then only ZPR0 will come. If it is not Maharashtra, this line will be deactivated. This line will not come basically. So basically it's a precondition to check whether this condition type has to appear in your sales document or not. Clear? Any question? I will show you this one also. We don't have any customized requirement. But let me see if I can see.
Deepak, basically it is used for specific region that's
No, that's I just gave you one requirement actually, one simple example. There could be multiple
okay.
requirement and multiple routines. Okay. So
Okay.
basically, see when you see requirement, alternate calculation type, alternate condition based type. These three are programs actually. Okay.
Okay.
If someone asks you in pricing procedure, how many places you can assign a program number? So these three places. We'll discuss one by one. Okay. So first requirement. The requirement
Yeah.
is precondition. That condition has to be met, then only my condition type will come. If the condition is not meeting, or that condition whatever I maintained is not fulfilled, that condition type will not come. I'll give you the example demo. Wait, I'll quickly let me check it. Okay, let's take this ZPR0 only. So as of now it is appearing, right? 50 is coming because we have not assigned any requirement. Let's assign some requirement to this ZPR0 only. I'll assign some simple one. Let's take two. Okay, okay. But before we proceed to two, you see, when I press F4, I see all the requirement types. These all are basically programs, and these all are program numbers. 1, 2, 3, whatever number you see, these all are some programs written actually, some piece of program. And how can you see the program exactly, even though you are not suppose or you're not expected to understand the program, but how can you see the program? You select any line and you click on this icon, source text. You click here, system will show you the exact programming, what is written in that program. You see, so this is written in that program 120. Okay, let's take another example 163. So this is written. These all things system will check actually. These all are evap codes. Okay, these all are evap codes which evapor will write. But you need to check. Like in our case, I gave you the example where we will checking the region for customer. So the program will write here only. What they will write in simple. I'll give you a small example here also so that you understand. From where you will get the customer region, whether customer belongs to Maharashtra, Pune, how you will get it?
Customer master.
Customer master. So what you will tell the that developer that go to customer master,
General
go to general data and check this
address.
field.
Let me check.
If this is Maharashtra, then it has to be active. If it is not Maharashtra, then it has to not to be active. Let's take a simple requirement now, and then we'll show. I'll show you the value how it impacts. Now let's take two actually. Okay, two item with pricing. Let's see what is written inside it. So basically, you see first line it is as hashtag mark. That means it's a text actually. It's a free text. It's not a part of code. If anyone if you have done any coding, you must know that whenever you write some program, you write some what do you call context also at the top or some background. Why this program? What this program is going to do. So what this program is going to do? Program pricing is turned on in item category. Just give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, sorry. So what this program is doing? Pricing will be turned on basically. For that condition type will turn on based on the item category configuration. In item category, we have so many configurations, right? If I go to item category, let me open item category in some other window. What is the T code for item category?
Vivo V7.
VOV7. Good. VOV7. Let's open our only 10. There are so many controls. Now, which field it will check? I don't know, right? Something it is checking from this many fields only, but what exactly? I don't know. If I know which field it is checking, I'll tell you some small examples. Like you see, pricing is X, right? Let's do one thing. Now, if I want to see what is the table and field names for this pricing, how can I see the table and field name for this field? This is pricing means description, right? But as I told you in SAP, everything is stored in table and fields. So how can I know the table and field for this particular field? What is the field name for this one? Technical field name. How can I see? Or let me go to sales order. If I want to see where my sales area is stored, how can I see which table? You know it's VBAK, right? But from where you know
Yes.
it? From here itself, if I want to know, how can I know it? Which table this data will be stored? How can I know that? Or let's say customer master, anything. And let's open customer master. Let's go to sales data. I want to see this customer group. I know it's be stored in KNVB, right? Because I know it's KNVB for sales area. But let's say I don't know. Let's pretend that I don't know. And now I want to know the table and field name where this customer group will be stored. How can I see this? It's very important, guys. This is something you should use as a consultant. You should know. I told you. I think you have not paid. You guys have not paid attention. That's fine. Any field, you press F1. Okay. You press F1 in help menu. it will give you some help what this field is all about. And then there is fourth button, technical information. What I did, any field if I want to see, I clicked out in that field, then I pressed F1 in my keyboard, that I cannot show obviously. I'm pressing in my keyboard actually, and then I go to this technical button. Now I see the table name, I see the field name. Clear?
Yeah, Deepak.
Yeah,
Okay, now let's do this. Let's go to our case where we were discussing. Yeah, I want to see this one, right? What I will do,
F1.
press
F1 only.
F1. It will give me some idea what this field is all about, but we are not bothered about the description. I want to know the field name, technical name. I'll press this icon.
Technical
What is the field name?
PRSFT.
PRS.
PRSFD. Now let's go to our program. Do you see that field name?
Yeah.
In the same field, right? I don't know the programming. Even you also don't know the programming, but you understood something. Okay. It is checking this PRSFD. Where is PRSFD in my item category? So in item category, this is the field. The system is checking something here only. What it is checking? It says check KOMP PRSFD CA equal to BX. If I press here F4, you see B or X. That means I understood something. I'm not 100% sure, but some idea I got. Okay, that means system is taking this field, whether this value is X or B, right? Some idea I got. I'm not 100% sure, but some idea I got, right? Okay, this could be the field and this could be the check precondition. Now, 10 is a standard item category or it's a G item category, this TN,
Standard.
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 So let's not
Deepak,
change it.
Deepak,
Even
one
if
more.
you,
But
yeah,
why didn't it consider A, X,
uh,
and B is only that's considered in that
that is the requirement.
program?
See, this is business requirement. Let's not go into that because it could be different. As I told you, in your requirement, you have the requirement. Okay, the customer belongs to Maharashtra, right? Any
Mm-hmm.
requirement could be there. So it's two is a special. I mean, it's a standard requirement. Okay. Why it is not
Okay.
taken B? That's not. Let's not go into that because it's as per the business and as per the requirement system is giving that. If you want system to check X, A, B, right, all three, you can ask your
Uh,
developer to write a code. Similar code he will write and you can ask A, B, and X. All thing it will
okay,
check.
okay,
Okay, so
okay.
it's
Got
just
it,
a
got it.
program. How you can what I mean, as per your requirement, you can write your program if it doesn't fit your requirement. Okay. Now let's
Mm-hmm.
go to this one. So 10 is a standard item category. So let's not change it. Anyway, if you try to change it, will not allow. Let's see if I make it blank. You see, I get some error. Item category 10 is for enabled for something. I don't want to go into all these things. So what I did, I created one more item category by copying the 10 and I created Z10. Now this is my own item category. I can change anything, right? And here I have maintained blank. Let's not save for time now. Let's go to 10 first. In 10 it was X, right? And in my V10 what I had done? V10 what I did? I removed that check, correct? So now it is blank. Means this line is not fulfilling, correct? It's not B, it's not X, it's blank. So this is failing the precondition. Clear? It will fail, right?
Yeah, Deepak.
Okay, now what was the program number? It was 2. So you need to assign that requirement 2 here. And let's save it. Now what I have done, ZPR0 will only come into picture if the item category of that particular line item has this checkbox as X. If it is blank, it will not come. Correct? This is what we configured. This is what requirement we told the system to follow. Clear? Let's create a sales order now. 0 1. 0 1. See, any question if you have, please ask. Don't just keep in your mind and okay. Before we proceed, what is the item category it has taken?
10.
10. और 10 में क्या था? What was there in the 10? The checkbox, the pricing checkbox.
X.
X was
X.
there.
X.
So the requirement is meeting, right? Basically, if it is
Yeah.
10, it is meeting the requirement, it is meeting the precondition. Let me go to display. And so as of now, it is 10, and 10 has this X. That means requirement 2 is meeting. So now my ZPRO should come. Let's go to the and see. Do you see ZPR0?
Yeah.
It is there.
Yeah.
Now let's do one thing. Let's change the item category from 10 to G10. How I will change it?
Material master.
No, I don't want to go to material master. Here itself in the sales document only I want to change it. How can I change it?
In this item category,
Right. Here itself I can change it, right? I don't have to go to master data change because this is default item category. Then I had 10 manual item category also, right? Options. You guys forward? Let me show you. VOV 4.
so
We have multiple manual category also, right? This is default. Then we have 10 manual options also, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
yeah,
So why you want to change
Yeah.
in master data? You can have your manual item category here, no? So that's what I
Yeah.
did. So I have that option of 10. Oh, sorry, G10. So I will make it G10. I press enter. You see, as soon as I press enter, system says new pricing has been done for line item 10. Fine. Press OK. Now the item category is Z10. What is the checkbox for that pricing in G10?
No. No.
Blank, basically. Now let's see whether my ZPR0 is coming or not. Do you see ZPR0 now?
No, Deepak.
No. Clear? Because the requirement is failing. It is not meeting the precondition. You can check it here also. You can go to analysis. You can go to ZPR0. Okay? It clearly says the requirement is not fulfilled. Because the requirement was supposed to check this checkbox. If it is X, it's fine. If it is B, it's fine. Apart from X or B, anything is there, then it's not meeting the requirement. In G10, it's failing. So this is why in your sales document that ZPR0 has become, it has not appeared, it has gone. Clear? Function of requirement. Any confusion so far?
No, Deepak.
So if someone asks you what is the function of requirement in pricing process, what you will tell in interviews? Just tell me what you understood. Just tell me in simple language. That's fine. If you are doing right, I mean, if you will tell wrong, I can correct it. Right? Just say it. What you understood. What the requirement does.
When it applies for specific condition.
Right? And what it will check.
And how price discounts like tax?
No, not price discount. Any condition type. No requirement you can assign to any condition. Price, discount, tax. Any condition you can apply that. I mean, you can put that requirement. What is the function of that requirement? When you assign some routine, some requirement number, what system checked actually? What system performs?
it makes sure that condition is met, and after that only the pricing procedure will carry.
No, the requirement is met. That's
Happen.
fine. Not the pricing procedure. Pricing procedure is anyway there, right? Pricing procedure was this one. That PRICP. So pricing procedure is still there. What went now? What disappeared? ZPR0 is what? That ZPR0 disappeared, right? In our case. What is ZPR0? Is it pricing procedure?
No
No, it is
condition.
access sequence
No, no, no.
and condition type.
Condition type basically, not accessible. Condition
Condition
type.
type. Yeah.
So basically, if requirement meets, then only that
Yeah.
condition type will come. If it is not meeting, requirement type will not come.
Uh,
Simple as it is. Clear? Now let's remove that too
yeah.
for time being. Let's see the other fields. Okay, now alternate calculation condition amount, or sometimes we call it alternate calculation. Okay, there are two similar field actually, and many people get confused. When I've seen people having 6 years, 7 years of experience, they get confused. What is these two field? Because these two sound very similar. It's the alternate calculation condition amount and alternate condition base value. Let me show you example first actually. Let's say I told you tax is 18%. Okay. And I told you my net value is 100 rupee. Now, you know the total will become how much?
82.
Tax will be added, no?
Yeah.
So,
118.
118.
118.
Right. How you come to 118? You took the net value and then you added 18. From where this 18 come basically? This 18 tax amount, this was my percentage, right? This is the amount. But this 18 is applied on which base? 18% is applied on which base? What is the base value for this 18?
Net.
Net. That is 100, right?
Yeah.
So basically,
Yeah.
this was your base, and on that base value, you applied 18%. Clear?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
then you got that 18. So 100 is
Yeah.
working as a base value for your tax
Base
percentage.
value.
Clear?
Yeah.
We'll use this logic. Okay, but as of now, let's come to this one. Alternate condition. If you go to sales document, let us go to, you see two fields, right? Amount and condition value. Amount and condition value. Correct? Now pay attention to the word. What is this field is saying? Is it the first one or the second column? What it will take? If you see here, let me go back again. This is your
Amount it will take.
amount and this is your condition value.
Condition amount it
Amount
will.
it will take, right?
Alternate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let's do one thing. Let's assign. Here we have assigned it. I've taken a simple example. I've added one more line actually, 18. Okay. And what is this again? 4 is what? It's a program basically, right? I told you these all three are program. Requirement, alternate calculation amount, and alternate calculation base type. All these three are program basically. So what this program 4 is doing? How can I see? I want to see the code. Even though I will not understand that fine, but I just want to see at a high level. Maybe if I can understand something. How can I see the code?
Click on that icon and
Yeah, correct.
triangle shape.
Then,
Select that one
then
and come
Right.
to this triangle shape.
clear. Correct. So here we will
First
click,
one.
right? Let's click here. Here also, if you see net value plus tax. Now I don't understand that much programming. That's fine. But something I can understand. Okay, net value it is taking, and it is doing that MWST, that is tax. It is adding, and even the you see final amount including tax means net plus tax value. It is this program is doing. There also, if you see the description, it says net plus tax. Okay, some idea I have. I don't have complete 100% idea, but something I got. In my case, what is my net value?
4.50.
Okay, it has
4.50.
become minus. Let's put some value. Actually, this is not correct because minus cannot be net value. Okay. Now, what is my net value?
257.50.
257.50.
And what is my tax?
12.3.
You sum these two. What is the value you got?
269.80.
This exactly it came here, right?
Yeah.
Or here you can also say. So basically, it directly gives you the value for that particular. You can put this on any condition type also. I have taken the description. That's fine. You can put some at this what do you call this routine at some condition type also. It will do the same function. So what I told, I assigned the program in this program number 4. Program what this 4 will do, it will take whatever the net value and tax value, it will just simply sum it and it will assign in the line number 80. That's what exactly it is happening here. This is the line number 80, right? Net plus tax. Net plus tax, right? You can have your any requirement. As I told you, it's not, we have taken the simple example. You can have some business requirement. Okay, take this net value price, then you do sum this value, then you subtract this, then you multiply it by 3, anything. When you do the normal pricing, what options we have? From to, we have only, right? From to, that will simply sum. Can I do average with this from to? For some reason, let's take hypothetical example. If my business wants to take this 4 condition value and do average, can I do with this from to? But just by using this from to options, can I do average for this 4 condition?
No, I think.
No, you cannot do it because it's different. You have alternate way of doing the calculation for that particular condition. So how you can achieve it? You will ask the developer to write the code. That code you will assign here. That's it. Now in the coding you can do anything, right? Like in 4 we have the coding, right? Basically, you can ask your developer to write any code. You will simply write, okay, developer just write a code, sum this 4 value, divide it by 4. They will give you some program number, let's say 513, 519, anything. That program number you will simply assign here.
That will become a routine.
Routine basically,
Routines,
right?
right?
Routine means a
Yeah.
program number actually. Routine is nothing but a
Uh-huh.
program number, a program name you can say.
Yeah.
Clear? Now let's do one thing. Let's remove this 4. And now let's try to create. Let's save it first. So now I've told the system not, not to take the net value and tax value. It will take some other value basically. Basically it will take the previous line item. Okay. Now let's see. Uh, let's create another order actually. See, these are all small things actually, but you see the impacts. One small routine will change your complete pricing. That's why I told you it's very, what do you call, complicated and small thing you need to notice. Now, now if you sum net and tax, what is the value you get?
52.80.
Is it 52.8?
No,
No. Why? Because that 4 we have removed out. That 4 requirement for, the routine 4 we have removed from the calculation. So what system is doing? System is taking the previous value. The previous value was 123 and this ZWM whatever this ZMWS was 12.3. So system added these two and it has become 135. Now system is taking simple from to logic actually. It is not taking alternate formula to calculate basically. Clear?
yeah, Deepak.
Okay. Now let's do one thing. So here what you did, you got the final value directly. Let me assign it 4 again. That's how alternate this one. So when you assign this 4 in this column, alternate condition amount 4 automatically came. Now alternate condition base amount. Base means it will take the, in our example, I give you this 18%, right? Now in this both example, let me put it like this: alternate calculation amount and alternate calculation base amount. Now what is my base amount here for this 18%?
100.
100. So that will be 100. And on top of that 100, on this base of 100, you applied 18% and you will get some value. That is fine. Some value you will get. But if in the same example, if you say what is alternate calculation amount, then you will simply say the total value 118. Clear? Difference? Base amount means on this value you will apply some percentage on top of that. But amount means the final value. Here we have not applied anything, right? If I maintain 4 here, what system was doing? System was just following this this program 4. The program says some net and tax, that's it. Don't put any percentage on top of that, right? So it was giving me as the final value basically. Now let's take another example. In this ZK06, this is another condition type I've added. And I have assigned the same formula basically 4. Let's see what this 4 says again. It's the same formula, that is net plus tax, that's fine. But now this 4 will work as the base for ZK06. Pay attention here. In this line, the whole value was coming from this 4 only. The program 4 was giving me the final value. But when I assign this in this column, what system will do? System will do net plus tax, and it will again check some percentage or VK level condition record, whatever we have maintained, 2%, 5%, 10%, whatever we have maintained. It will apply that percentage on the this base actually. Let me show you, then you will understand basically. Let us create another order. VA01. Yes. Now tell me ZK06. What we have applied here? 4. Right? 4 means? 4 means
Net plus
net plus
net
tax.
plus
What is your net plus tax in your document?
52.80.
52.80.
Yeah,
And then on top of that, you told system to apply this 4%. Now take that 4% of 52.8.
48.80.
52.8%, 4% of 52.8. How much it will come? 4%. 4% of 52.8.
50.69%.
Hey, wow, you're doing calculation here. Wait, I'll show you. This is my 40.5. This is my 12.3. So I will sum it here, right? This plus this. It becomes 52.8. Now I have to apply some 4%. I will maintain 4 here, and then here I get the value. Take this. Let me put the bracket. into 4%.
2.11.
2.11, right? How much decimal you have in Indian currency?
2,
2. But in your calculation, how much you got?
3.
3. And in that case, okay, I'll show you that rounding off also as of now. Let's focus now for this one as well. So what is the value you got if you remove the third digit?
2.11.
That's what it is there, right? Clear?
Yeah.
Let's maintain some
Yeah.
different percentage. Here it was 4. Let's maintain some different condition. Different this one, different percent actually. How I will change this condition record? For let's say I want to make it 10%. How I will do it?
VK level.
No, why VK11? VK11 is already there. No,
Oh,
4 is
VK.
already there. You want to change it now.
Yeah.
VK12.
Yeah.
What is the condition?
ZK06.
ZK06. It's the first combination actually. So let me go directly there. So 4 was there. Let's make it 10. Clear? Now let's try to create order again. Everything is same. The only thing is percentage we have changed to 10. Order quantity 1. You see? If you sum these two, what was the value you were getting? This plus this 52.8. Now this time how much percentage you have? 10 percentage. So the value is
5.28.
clear. Simple math, no rocket science. Simple math. Now tell me one difference. When I was assigning the routine or the program number in the alternate calculation amount, did I maintain any condition record for that? Do we require to maintain any condition record?
No.
No. But this time I have to maintain because this time system is just giving me the base value. Now I have to apply some percentage or something on top of that. Clear? So if
Yeah.
someone asks you the difference between these two, the first difference is if you maintain some routine or some program in alternate calculation condition amount, we don't have to maintain any condition record. VK11 you don't need to maintain for this line. But if you have the routine or the program mentioned in this line, then for this condition type, you need to maintain a condition record in VK11 also. Clear? Any question? And now let us let us make it 4 again. Let us make it 4 again. I just want to show you that rounding of thing actually. Let's make it 4. How many fields are left here? We are here, right? These three thing is easy one, so we will cover this tomorrow. That's fine. I just want to show you the rounding of logic. Okay, again I made it 4%. What is the condition type? We have v slash 06. What is the condition type we are talking? ZK06. Let's go to ZK06. Why it has eliminated that 2? Okay, let us go to our Excel again. So here we have told 4%. The value was 2.112 and system ignored the third value, right? That 0.002 it ignored basically, right? How system ignored it? Because we have told the system to do it like that. Where is that rounding rule? We have made it commercial, right? Commercial means more than zero point 0.5 you increase, less than zero point 0.5 you decrease. Now let's maintain up. Means anything found, just increase the next digit. Now let's see what it does actually. We have saved it, right? How much you got now?
2.12.
2.12.
Why 2.12?
Rounding off, it should
Right.
be the one only.
And what you have told system to do? Rounding up. Means anything is there in the third digit. Let's say it's 2.111, 2.114, 2.111 also, 2.117, anything. If it has a third digit, basically, it will simply add it. It will simply increase the second digit. That's what it is doing. In our case, it was 2.112. Since we have told the system to work as a round up, anything is there, round up means go to the higher one, higher value basically. So it has increased it has made the value as 2.12. Clear? Let's do one more thing. Let's do rounding down this time. Then what should be the value in this case now in my sales order? What value should I expect here if I made it round down?
2.11.
1 or 10.
2.10. Round down, no, the third digit is there. No, I think it will be 2.11. Round down means it will ignore basically.
That's what.
And
One
yeah,
zero
it will be 2.11, correct. It will not 2.10, it will 2.11. Basically, what it will do, now system will ignore it. Let's say 2.119 also it is there, no? System will not make it 2.12. System will still make it 2.11. System will basically ignore it. Let us do one thing. Let us maintain some value here so that we get some good value. If I maintain, let's say 46 or something, here I can maintain some 46. 1.97. You see, all this we have to do the back calculation to solve it. Basically, let's not go to that level. Understood? The rounding up, rounding down. Up means anything found in the third digit. Not only third, because since we are talking about the Indian currency, it's taking the third digit. If you're working with the Japanese currency, then there is no decimal in that case. Then obviously, point one means okay, increase the first digit itself. Clear? It's not always the third digit. It's based on the currency. How much decimal the currency allows actually. Indian currency we have decimal, right? 5 rupee 25 paisa. Beyond 20, I mean, after paisa we don't have further division of currency. That's why two digit. Clear? I would say let's stop here only. We have covered almost everything. We have just left with this three field. We'll discuss it tomorrow because we don't have time now.
Okay, Deepak.
Clear?